The best way to organize your Replo components is to avoid nesting standalone containers inside parent containers, or in other words, avoid creating only child containers. An only child container refers to a parent container that only has one child element. This is usually an indication that the child container is redundant, and the styles and properties applied to both containers can be consolidated into one single container, although there are exceptions to this. It might seem intuitive at first to rely on containers to group related elements, but this is often how only child containers are created. In this example, let's say we want all the elements to have a 16-pixel gap, but we want the button to be slightly further away. It's usually people's first instinct to group the text blocks into a container, add a gap, and then group this with the button into a new container and add a separate gap there. But now we have a bunch of containers, and if you wanted to edit the text, you'd have to go 4 layers deep just to find what you're looking for. So let me show you how to create the same exact section with just one container by being strategic with our spacing and styling tools. Instead of grouping the elements into a new container, we can just apply the gap on the original parent container. For the button, we can simply add an 8-pixel margin on the top to give it that extra space. And that's it! We created the same exact section with just one container. Being aware of only child containers significantly simplifies your layers panel, making editing and managing your pages a lot easier.